Hei kutid! Mina sain siis requesti reacting videole, et siis on FNAF Fire Revenge. Et jah, vaatame. On liiga tuha palju väiksemaks.
It's a bright new day, and it's your time to shine. Time to take your career into your own hands. Spend all your money, and the stars they will align, 'cause you've become a part of Freddy's band. Just be careful about what you buy. You never know what's hiding inside, but we can't prove anything, no. So make sure you take all responsibility for whatever your new business plan will bring. Wait, I hear voices on every side, and I wonder where, and I wonder why. Where do they hide? I'm sorry you've been misinformed. This is just a never-ending, never-ending novel. Endless circles of fear, chasing cries of children that stay so near. I'll never reach, you will never find them. Don't you see, this is when the story ends.
Closing time, we're gathered here together just to play all these songs in one place, and this gift we appreciate.
Come together, friends. We'll take them off your hands. Don't try to defend. Forget the money that you've spent.
We will be complete.
Your job is obsolete. We cannot do what we were created to do. I'm sorry you've been misinformed. This is just a never-ending, never-ending nothing more. Endless circles of fear, chasing cries of children that seem so near. Out of reach, you will never find them. Oh, don't you see? This is where your story It's a bright new day, and it's your time to shine. Thank you for all you've done.
Ei helpi! Miks helpi pidi surema? Ta oli kõik armsam.
First things first, I'ma say.
Okei, minu arvamus väga äge video oli. Jah, mulle väga meeldis see video. Ma rohkem ei oska midagi öelda, et see on väga äge ja mulle meeldis see hästi. Ja kommenteerige alla oma lemmik FNAF tegelane. Järgmise korrani!